Can you believe that people shut their door and window after hearing the bell sound from Krishna temple? There is a temple in India which looks similar to other temples, but when it comes to night, that becomes unimaginable. Mystery of Nidhivan. This temple was dedicated to Hindu deities Radha and Krishna. Every evening before closing the temple gates, the priests make the bed and a jar full of water beside the bed. Place ornaments like bangles, flowers and clothes, sweets and betel nuts and leaves to eat. Morning they find that the bed looks as if someone has slept on it, sweets and betel leaves look like they were partially eaten by someone, also the bangles, flowers and clothes look used, disordered and disarranged. It is believed that Radha and Krishna comes here every night. And Radha was decorated by Krishna with his own hands. The trees at this temple change into gopis at night. Radha and Krishna perform dance called Rashlila with gopis. No one is allowed inside the temple after the sun sets down. If anyone tries to see what happens in the night, either dies or loses their eyesight and mentality. They cannot explain what they saw at night. Even the monkeys and peacocks leave the temple after the sunset. Many of them have heard the sounds of anklets coming from temple at night. This beautiful temple is Banki Bihari Ji Mandir, situated inside a small forest called Nidhivan at Vridhavan. The forest has numerous tulasi trees which are short in height but are found in pairs and have entangled trunks. In the quiet magic of the night, as the world sleeps, these pairs of trees transform, each taking the form of a gopi and her personal Krishna, dancing together in divine harmony. And have the place called Rang Mahal, where Radha and Krishna spend the night after their exhausting dance.